right, here we are.
Yeah. You got me?
Yeah, I got you, Pete.
You do?
Yeah, I got you. Let's go.
Okay. You got me, Bill?
Huh?
You got me?
Yeah, I got you.
You do?
Hoping you take my picture too.
Oh, yeah, I'll take your picture. I got
How's
you.
things? Good?
I'm making a movie of you, Shreddy.
Turn off.
Come on, come on. He asked me to take a picture of him. Where you headed, Bo?
Headed towards the motto signs.
Okay.
I don't want to get sick. I thought, yeah, I get you. What time do you have? I can fly back to
Turn off.
Yeah.
Turn off.
Okay.
Chihuahua Shepherd. What's his name?
Bubbles.
Bubble. Yeah.
You having a good
What's
time
your
up
name?
there? Oh man. I got a Maxwell. I got a little chihuahua kind of about his size. I love one of those.
Yeah, what?
Get a nice tasty ice cream.
Can't tell if it's on or not.
It's on now. What you asked me to?
When are you gonna get ice cream?
Let me get me a tasty, nice tasty ice cream cone.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You want one that big?
Maybe if I can eat it.
All right. I didn't turn it off.
It's on record. It's already on.
Stay right there. Oh.
Okay. How you doing?
Hey,
Hey.
what's up, boy?
I like all these I can't remember what they call those things.
Starfish.
Yeah, starfish. Yeah.
Starfish.
They look real from a distance. It's not close up. They look real.
Huh?
I said from a distance, I might think they're real.
Yeah. This is they do.
Yeah. Gorgeous area, Joe. But we came just in time.
Do what?
This is still on. I thought I heard. Oh yeah. I said we came here just in time
Yeah, we
to
did.
this place.
Oh,
Island.
you want to miss all this good stuff. Walk
Yeah.
back that way over there.
I was just looking at that I kill fish thing.
Okay. I wonder what they were just playing. I wonder what they were just playing.
Hi, hey, boy.
Hey, Joe.
Let's let me span it around here a little.
Oh, popcorn there, huh?
I don't want no popcorn.
Yeah.
I want something to drink.
Yeah, I'm thirsty. I can use a
Okay.
nice Sprite.
You want a Sprite?
Yeah.
Okay, here, go ahead and turn it on. What do you think of all this, Bo?
Looks like Pirates of the Caribbean.
Think it's a real pirate ship?
Looks like it at least.
They'll probably sell it to you for $5.
More like $5,000.
Yeah.
More than that, though.
All right,
Times 5,000.
right.
Times 5,000.
All right. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you the next Captain Hook?
I don't know ex-Captain Hook.
You don't
I
know?
got both of me hands. I don't know him.
What do you think of Peter Pan?
Oh, he's a gay fella in short pants.
All right.
Stand right here.
Here. It's already on record.
Why don't you stand right here?
Yeah.
Back up against this.
Right here?
Right at the end.
Okay.
So I can get that.
Okay.
Is it on?
Yeah. It's on.
It's already on?
Already on?
Okay, here we are at the Anna Maria Pier.
Yeah. We're on the Gulf of Mexico. Yeah. What do you think, Jeff? You like the rocks and the ocean and everything?
Yeah.
I said the water looks so clear, like the Bahamas.
Huh?
I said the water's like the Bahamas.
Yeah.
Look at the birds, boy. They're beautiful.
Stay right here, Bo.
Okay. Okay.
Get to the pier.
Yeah. We ought to come down here, you know, some too. Like alternate Jack's Beach and this beach. What's your take on the ocean and the rocks?
Yeah, pretty neat. Huh?
I wish I could go swimming right now. I got my.
Yeah.
What do you got to say, Joe?
I'm tired.
You're tired? What'd you think of the whole festival? From what you saw?
Pretty nice.
Yeah. What'd you think of the pirate? I said, what did you think of the pirate and the ship and everything?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. You want to just drive around some? You want to drive around some or keep walking or what?
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, let me get the rocks.
Yeah, I'm alright, boy.
That's good. I'm glad you're alright.
Did you get the boats out there?
Yeah, I'm getting them now. There's one boat. Let me get that. Let me get that boat right here.
Get that boat right there.
Trying to get a zoom on it where I can see it.
Get it right here. Walking down up here.
Yeah, let me get the boat too. Let's see, where's the boat at? It's hard to see, it's so blurry.
That's just a little boat there.
Yeah, a little sailboat or something?
No,
Shrimp boat or something? I can't really.
just a little outboard.
A what?
A little outboard.
Yeah, it's pretty. Whatever it is. Yep. October 18, 2008. These are all the boats in the Gulf of Mexico on Santa Maria's Island that I see. Beautiful. Gorgeous. It's like the Bahamas.
Hey, boy. What you doing out there? I say, what you doing out there?
Enjoying the ocean, enjoying Florida.
Where you want to go over here? These rocks? You want to go over this way?
Yeah.
All right.
I like that boat, Joe.
Huh?
I like that boat.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, Joe.
Yeah.
So what do you think of the beautiful ocean and the beautiful pier
Yeah, I think it's nice.
and the boat? Huh?
Pretty lively place here.
What do you think of the fishing boats?
Huh?
I said, what do you think of the cool fishing boats and everything?
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Yeah. Anything memorable to say?
Well, this has been a memorable day.
Huh?
A memorable day.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for everything, Joe. Appreciate it.
That bridge way over there. That bridge way over there. Well,
Yeah, I got it. I'm getting it good.
can you see it?
Yeah, I see it. It's like the Golden Gate Bridge.
Oh.
I'm getting the whole boat, Joe. All right. Okay, it's on record, Joe.
Oh,
Okay, it's on record. Be careful.
I got you.
Let's walk down some.
Yeah. It's got that white thing on it. Oh, there you go. Okay.
What's up?
Where you at? There you are.
Right here.
All right.
This is
Walk on back.
Soft Tuesday. You got the bridge too?
Huh?
You got the bridge too?
Yeah. I got you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got you good, kiddo. Yeah. Got you real good.
It's awesome.
Huh?